Let's walk through how to allow or block certain apps and modify the modes. From the dashboard screen, open the left-hand drawer and select Modes. You'll be asked for the password. By default, it is 1234, or you may have changed it. Enter the password. ManageKit is an artificial intelligence-driven app that applies appropriate restrictions automatically. It is smart to know which apps to allow or block by default based on the age of the child. On this screen, you'll see the three modes: Study, Play, and Silent. For each mode, you will see the list of applications installed on your child's device. You can turn it on or off based on your preference. You also have the ability to filter the list or search for a specific app using the search functionality.